In this video, I'll uncover the 5 common money traps that 30-year-olds often fall into. Let's get going. Number 1, overspending and lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's tempting to increase your spending habits to match. Your expenses should align with your long-term financial goals. By keeping lifestyle inflation in check, you can prioritize saving and investing for a secure future. 2, neglecting retirement savings. It may seem distant when you're in your 30s, but neglecting retirement savings is a major money trap that can haunt you later on. Many 30-year-olds make the mistake of assuming they have plenty of time to save for retirement. However, the power of compound interest works best when you start early. By contributing consistently to pensions, you give your money more time to grow. Don't fall into the trap of delaying retirement savings. Take advantage of any employer matching programs and automate your contributions to ensure a secure financial future. 3, neglecting emergency funds. Life has a way of throwing unexpected curveballs, and without a solid emergency fund, you can find yourself in a financial tailspin. Many people overlook the importance of building an emergency fund, assuming they won't need it. But emergencies can happen at any time, from unexpected medical expenses to car repairs or sudden job loss. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. Prioritize building your emergency fund alongside other financial goals. 4, failing to diversify income sources. Relying solely on one income source can leave you vulnerable in an ever-changing economy. Failing to diversify your income can be a significant money trap. Explore opportunities to diversify your income by starting a side hustle, freelancing, or investing in passive income streams. By having multiple income sources, you create a more stable and resilient financial foundation. Keep in mind that diversifying your income requires careful planning and time management, but the rewards can be substantial, both in terms of financial stability and personal growth. 5, neglecting financial education and planning. Ignorance is not bliss when it comes to personal finance. Neglecting financial education and planning can lead to poor financial decisions and missed opportunities. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend workshops, and leverage online resources to expand your financial knowledge. Additionally, create a financial plan that aligns with your goals, whether it's buying a home, paying off debt, or starting a business. Remember, financial success requires ongoing learning and adaptation. Stay informed, review your financial plan regularly, and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. If you want to see the biggest lessons I've learned in personal finance, then check out the video over here. Remember, it's never too late to take control of your finances. Thank you for watching. Bye.